Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix not registered on network on Mint Mobile. Fix 1. Turn your phone off and back on. This is simple yet effective way to address the common issue with the device connectivity. Restarting your phone can help reset the network connection and resolve the temporary glitches. iOS, slide the power off slider to the right and turn off your device. Wait for a few seconds and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Android, press and hold the power button until you see the power options menu. Tap restart or reboot. Confirm the restart by tapping OK or restart. Fix 2. Check your coverage map. Verify your signal strength by referring to the coverage map, especially if you are in a rural area or indoors where the signal reception may be weak. To check the coverage, visit the Mint mobile coverage site. Input your location where the coverage available area are marked as green. Fix 3. Remove and reinsert your Mint mobile SIM card. Reinserting your physical SIM card can re-register your phone on the mobile network, potentially resolving the issue with the data connection, text message and calling. Turn off your phone. Locate the small hole on your phone for the SIM card ejection tool. Insert the ejection tool that comes with your phone and or SIM card. Firmly but gently push until the tray pops out and remove the SIM. And reinsert the SIM gently, push the tray back into the phone slot and turn your phone back on. Fix 4. Turn your Mint mobile eSIM off and on. If you have an eSIM, cycling it off and on can help troubleshoot connectivity problems without physically removing the SIM card. For iOS, go to Settings, then Mobile Data. Under the data plan list, select eSIM. Switch off and on the eSIM profile on this page. Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. Tap on the Mint mobile eSIM and toggle the switch to off and on. Fix 5. Update your device software. Keeping your phone software up to date is crucial for optimal performance and to avoid the compatibility issues that may affect your service. To update the operating system on an iPhone, follow these steps. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode if prompted. Wait for the update to download and install. Keep your device plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi until the update is complete. Restart your phone. To update the operating system on an Android device, follow this step. Go to Settings, then System, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Wait for the update to download and install. Restart your phone. Fix 6. Reset network settings. For iOS, open the Settings app, then General, then scroll down and tap on Reset. Tap on the Reset Network settings. You may need to enter your device passcode or Apple ID password to proceed. Confirm the action by tapping Reset Network Settings again in the confirmation prompt. Your device will restart automatically and network settings will be reset to their default configurations. For Android, open the Settings app, then Network and Internet, then scroll down and tap on the Reset or the System. Tap on Reset Network Settings or Reset Wi-Fi. Review the information about what will be reset, then tap on the Reset Settings or Reset Network Settings. Confirm the action by tapping Reset Settings. Your device will restart automatically and network settings will be reset to their default configurations. Fix 7. Update APN settings manually. For iOS device, go to Settings, then Cellular Data. Enable LTE, add the APN with the following details and leave the remaining field blank and restart your phone. For Android, go to Settings, then Internet and Connection, then Mobile Network. Access point name, then tap on the three-dot menu at the right corner. Select Add and enter the following details. Leave the remaining field blank and restart your phone. Fix 8. Replace the SIM. If you are still encountering the error, it is possible that there is a damage to your SIM card, preventing it from accessing the signal. In this case, it is advisable to order a new SIM card from the Mint Mobile to resolve the issue. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.